Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2024 Ford Transit equipped with a BraunAbility side entry lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. You will first open up the door. You will then use this hand pendant here. Let's go ahead and make our way inside. So this lift here is going to be 33.5 inches wide. And as we make our way inside, you will have room for one wheelchair in this position here. And this one here is already equipped with the Gurney antlers and locks. And on the side here, you will have two seats that will flip up to the side. And this van here only has 300 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the lift down. You can then close the door. Let's go ahead and check it out from the back. This is the view of the back. You will also have two sets of wheelchair restraints as well. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair lifts. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this one here is going to have 388 miles. And over here you will have the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.